Hey, it's your Aunt Andrea. I'm out of breath. I just pounded this T-post in, so I am getting the fence ready on this lovely bean field to move some cows out and get them out of that pasture where they're pretty much out of grass with this drought. Any time of year with it freezing and stuff now. Get them over here. They can eat the bean stubble, some of the grass and the weeds that are in here, and this other pasture that we pulled those heifers out of quite a few weeks ago. So I am finding the fence. Most of it should be good. I'm at the worst spot right now where I don't know if the planter took it out or the combine or I don't know. The fence is like half missing. So I just put this T-post in right here. I need to splice in some wire because I have no idea where it is, and then get it hooked across and then drive along all of it. So come along. So I'm short like 6 feet, so I'm gonna go see if we're caught somewhere or what the issue is. If there's a splice right before the insulator, it won't slide anymore, or if I'm hooked into like some weeds or something. Since this is just a temporary fall fence, we don't use it year round. It's mainly just for like October-ish. It can get caught in places, especially with all the snow we had this last year. So I just want to check before I go splice. We are tight. So back we go. But guess what? Once again, it's getting windy. So now we're just driving along, making sure this is all up and at the right level, which it should be good, but just to make sure, because calves are sneaky, we'll just drive along. Ness is watching the fence. And then this will be hot. Really good electric spark, so they touch it once, they won't touch it again, and they don't try to sneak out. Remember when I said weeds get on it? Wasn't kidding. Scoot over. We got a shirt seat. Nothing was not hooked at all. So this is, well, the house is going to be there eventually. So you can see there's some weeds along the fence line here, but this is the horse pasture, so I'll have to make an alleyway to get the cows out of here. But this is the pasture they're going to be moved to. Right now they're over back here and up there. So that's the gate they'll get let out of eventually. So I just want to make sure all this is up. Good to go. So there is, you'll see later in this video, there's 4 pastures in this corner over here. So we own like kitty corner, and then the other guy has cows, those kitty corner. So there is a corner gate that you can open with some panels to move cows around. So he just moved his cows from there to there. We're gonna move ours from there to there. Well, we have a problem here, folks, because the wire is down here and it needs to be on an insulator up there. So we gotta fix this one. I get really nervous touching this fence because the neighbor has an extremely large fence over his, so it's very hot. And I do not enjoy being shocked by it, and it has happened before. Almost on a yearly basis, so my goal is to have it not happen, so I'm very much like, I'll just not touch the wire if I don't have to. Now we're doing the little hand insulator that goes around here, because sometimes we just run the cows crossing through the field right here because the farm is like right there. So the ground is hard though because of compaction and how dry it is. So I need to get the T-post pounder and use it for the little post. Oh look, broken insulators. That's what happens, they just break off, especially when deer or the tractor hits them. So gotta pull this one up and then put a new insulator on there. I need another push-in post insulator. Alright, so I at least have two. Hopefully a third one in there. This is an old insulator. Hello. Scoot over. You wanna run? Go ahead. Go run around. Just don't stay off the road. Nice post. We did it! Are you ready? Are you ready, buddy? We're gonna go move some cows. She's excited. Mom's got side by side. That's just driving. You ready to get your cows? So I crossed both creek crossings once. Next thing of a water being though, being in a drought, I can cross. Otherwise, you normally can't cross this other one. And it's not ideal. It's a little rough. So I made it. So. Black cows, those are ours. Neighbors are the reds and the shars here. Excuse me, what are you guys doing on this side of the fence? Back up! I'm guessing maybe through the creek. Yep. Through the creek. Come on, babies. Hop! Hop! Hop, 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 hop! Up, 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 up. Can you tell they know what's going on? They're very well trained. Oh, these girls crack me up. Caboose! Even bullies here, actually. I'm not thinking the neighbor's fence is hot, but find out, I guess. It is not. So then we just gotta undo these, pull them up and let them across. Quit eating poop. Wide open. I gotta move this one. And the wire in here, but I gotta wait for Mom first. Are you ready? Are you ready to go home? Well, not home, but one step closer. There's a cow over there! That's our orange tag. I gotta make sure she knows what's going on. Caboose! Caboose! Boss cow. Ness, come here. Ness and May, come here. Come here. Up, up. Up, up. There's always one. Get! Come on, Bubs. You were a bottle calf for a little while, so I mean, I don't even blame you. Buddy, let's go. So that calf, his mom started going downhill. This is one of our older cows. So he became a bottle baby for just a brief amount of time, like a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe. And then we had a cow lose a calf. We're like, hey, she's a nice mom, see if we could graft him on. She took him immediately, so. And that's how you know it was a bottle calf. He likes the dogs. Oh, dang. It's not open, guys. Here's Miss Boss Cow. That's my old lady Moonlight's daughter from like 2012, so she's an older lady. What's up, Toots? That's Moonlight's last daughter she ever had right there, too. Since we don't have power here right now, it's really great. We need to get a solar fencer from the other pasture. So Mom's grabbing that right now. I'm sure I can see her, she's right over there. Grabbing that fencer, then we can get this fence hot. These are some of like our nicest pairs out here. All the younger ones, good age. So it's kind of exciting to see what they look like. Dun 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 dun. Are we hot? Yeah, man.
Nice work.
We got a good one.
Perfect. Yay.
Nice, we did a good job yesterday. Oh, fish posting. Not a posting, actually. Got a post here coming across because they come through what is our horse pasture. So we have to make it so they obviously can't go that way. And then we'll just hook onto this bad boy, hook it to the hot, ready to rock. And then they're gonna be so excited. Babies! What's going on, guys? Where are we going? I don't know what's going on. I gotta go get my little bottle calf. Alright, nummies, let's go. I think that's everybody. Go! I don't know how. There we go. There we go. Oh, calves, man. I was saying, it's not appropriate. It's not appropriate for my YouTube channel, but you'll find it over on Instagram. Calves are blank. Because they are. Right, that bean stubble. Hi, Loon. Now they're making their way to the corner, but they don't run as much anymore. But we don't haul through the field anymore. They get hauled out by trailer. Normal. So they're not as like, oh my god, I need to run there, because that's the farm right there. So there's a lot of stubble and weeds and grass out along the edges of the field. Just gotta make sure the fence is hot here, guys. Hello, 453. Hello, 210. Hello, 457. Hello, Ayla right there. Hello. So that's Moonlight's grandbaby. That's also Moonlight's grandbaby. All of them, and they're both heifers. They are happy. They are coming in back into the grass, top of the pasture. They're out in the bean stubble. They're all over the place. That is Ness. You're fine. That is moving cows in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, we'll see you then.